Hello and welcome to another interesting video on this channel. Today we'll be making this beautiful A-line gown with handkerchief sleeve. So I'm taking my vertical measurements. We'll be drafting on a paper first. I'm taking my vertical measurements, shoulder to bust, shoulder to waist, shoulder to hip, and shoulder to the desired length. So what I'm marking there is my shoulder to bust line, shoulder to waist line, and shoulder to the hip. So my neck width is 3 inches. After the 3 inches, I'm marking 5 inches. At that 5 inches, I came down by 1 inch for my shoulder slope and I connect the lines. For my cross back, I have 15 divided by 2. I have 7.5. So my armhole depth is also 7.5. But I added half an inch for sewing allowance. So that is the line I'm connecting there. That is my armhole depth. And I extend the line this way. My bust circumference divided by 4. Waist circumference divided by 4. Hip circumference divided by 4. That is what I'm marking. And I'm connecting the lines together this way. So I'm marking the ease I want for this cloth. I'm marking 1.5 inches ease. This is how free I want the cloth. I added 1.5. That is 1.5 for the ease. And I'm drawing in my armhole. At that armhole, I came out by half an inch. And I connect the line. For my back neck depth, I have 1.5. It is a V neckline. I'm marking 8 inches there. So you connect it this way for the V neck. For the back, you curve it like this. So I'll be curving in a bit. I don't want it straight at that V, at that neck area. Yes. So this is an A-line gown. And the gown is longer. So we want to extend it down to the hemline. So what I have at the hip, I marked it there and I added 5 inches. So I'm connecting the line this way. I added 5 inches to what I have at the hip because the A line is coming from the hip. So I'm coming up by 1 inch there and I slanted it this way. So I'm marking the sewing allowance, of 1 inches. This is my sewing allowance of 1 inch. That is what I'm marking. And you'll be connecting the lines this way. So we'll be cutting this out. This is it. This is for the armhole. We cut out the back neckline first. So if you'll be adding a zipper, you can add your zipper allowance. So this is the beautiful A-line gown. So we'll be transferring this to the fabric.